Guys, some of you have reached out and asked what kind of CMEs do we offer and what lectures do we have CMEs on. Short answer is we have AMA-PRA Category 1 CMEs. Let me show you some of the systems for which we have the CMEs available. So these are, for example, look at that acute abdomen, cardiovascular system, dermatology, ear, nose, and throat, endocrine, female reproductive system, GIT, general anatomy, general surgery, and a bunch of more, genitourinary system, microbiology, musculoskeletal system, nervous system, ophthalmology, psychiatry, respiratory system, visual system. Majority of our patients come to us with cardiovascular pathologies, and then with diabetic issues and with hypertensive issues. So it is really important for all of the medical professionals to master cardiovascular system dynamics and pathologies and clinical aspects of them. So we have a beautifully laid out cardiovascular system. Similarly, neurology is very important. Many of the professionals, even students and professionals both, sometimes they hesitate working with the patients who may have neurological issues because of what are the reflexes and how do I know which reflex and how do I identify where the problem is and so on. So we've done a very good job there. Respiratory system is great that we've done. Acute abdomen is such an important thing that we have covered in detail. Do you know the ICU unit? Such a beautifully done ICU unit is available. So there are some gems of the lectures that are available. So not only that you're doing your CEs or CMEs, you're actually shoring up your foundations and you're making your clinical practice even better, even more successful. So in terms of subjects, for example, anatomy, cardiology, dermatology, EKG, ENT, embryology, and there is a long list here. And if you see the instructors, Dr. Adam Jones, Dr. Ahmad Zafran, Dr. Anna Crawford, Bilal Hamid, Dr. Bilal Hamid, so UCSF, and Anna Crawford from Stanford. Ahmad Zafran used to be in Stanford, now in the in the Valley Hospital. Adam Johns, Dr. Adam Johns from UK. And if you see everyone here, Dr. Hatim Abu Syed, double-boarded surgeon, plastic surgeon and general surgeon. So awesome credentials here. Louis Verduzco's ICU unit is a top-class unit. Dr. Meer's chest X-ray lectures are amazing. So everyone over here, Dr. Tim Wong's lectures on sports medicine, beautifully presented lectures. He practices here near us, and an amazing instructor and amazing doctor. So these are the kind of lectures. So if I go, let's say, for example, cardiovascular system, here is cardiovascular cardiology, that is a clinical cardiovascular system. And if you go down here, these are EKG lectures. And then if you continue, embryology and histology and anatomy and physiology and pathology. And look at this, atherosclerosis. If you have mastered just the atherosclerosis, mastered it, hypertension and diabetes and the chronic kidney disease and the heart attacks and strokes, you understand the foundations of how this is happening. When you talk with your patient, you are able to say what needs to be done, what is causing the issues, and so on. So make sure that you look at these lectures.